Welcome to another episode of Aerones News and Updates with your host, Aerones Clavens. In case you're joining us for the first time and new to Aerones, Aerones is the world leader in robotic wind turbine inspections and maintenance services. Using a unique patented robotic system, crucial tasks are performed faster and with less idle time compared to conventional methods. Utilizing new technologies is critical to increasing wind energy's efficiency and accessibility as the size and need of wind assets grow. Visit our website to learn more about the robotic services we provide. First up in the news is the Global Blades Group visit to Aerones. 2 days of innovation, collaboration, and hands-on tech. We welcome the Global Blade Group for expert discussions, a deep dive into blade maintenance, and live leading-edge repair robot demonstrations. A huge thanks to Birgit Juncker of Statkraft and to the many guests from the Global Blade Group for sharing their expertise and insights. It was a great pleasure to meet with all of you, and we hope to see you again soon. Next up is the launch of our visual inspection tool. We're thrilled to introduce the Visual Inspection Studio, a cutting-edge tool launching in early Q2 2025, designed to give customers full access to detailed inspection data. Users will now interact with 360-degree videos for internal inspections and high-resolution drone images for external inspections, directly through the portal. The tool allows for side-by-side comparisons of defects over time, enabling users to track structural integrity and maintenance needs effortlessly. Additional features include AI-powered annotations, which automatically highlight potential issues before Aerones engineers manually review them. Users can also mark and categorize anomalies themselves, providing a more collaborative approach to inspections. Next up is an update on our new LPS services for robot lightning cable repair. Our data shows that 20% of turbines have problems with lightning protection systems. Aerones has developed the most comprehensive and reliable toolset for LPS inspections, far superior to what drone LPS inspections can offer. Along with our services like drainage hole cleaning, oxidation removal, and our open circuit finder, we have developed a service where our LPS technicians can perform blade root lightning cable repair. Next, we have an update from our offshore inspections. With over 4 gigawatts of offshore wind turbine inspections planned for the UK, Aerones is uniquely positioned to support the successful deployment of these essential assets. Our robotic internal inspection solutions offer a safer, faster, and more efficient way to ensure these turbines perform at their best. Since the start of the year, Aerones has had 4 teams working continuously in the UK at the world's largest offshore wind parks. Contact me to learn more about our offshore internal crawler and external drone inspections. Our work takes us to incredible places, both onshore and offshore. Every now and then, nature treats us to something truly magical, like the time a playful pod of dolphins joined us on the job. Isn't that fantastic? Last but not least, the spring promises to be quite busy for Aerones. From April 8th to 10th, we will be exhibiting in the major industry exhibition Wind Europe in Copenhagen. Find us at the Bella Center, booth AB10. From April 16th and 17th, we'll be participating at Ken Reyes Operational Summit in Toronto, Canada. And from May 18th to 22nd, meet us at Clean Power, North America's premier wind energy exhibition. Find us at the Phoenix Convention Center, booth 4511. Don't hesitate to drop us a line, to set up a meeting, or to swing by just to say hi. That's it for now, folks. Make sure to follow us on LinkedIn and subscribe to our LinkedIn newsletter. Thanks and have a great day.